Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2 of SLS. So I just have a couple things to point out this week. I want to review the assignment really quick. The first thing is there is an announcement about campus printing. Got some great information, so check it out. So here we are. Do not forget that you can always look at the assignment schedule and the syllabus to see where you are. So we're moving here. This video is January 13th. I hope you're watching it. And this is due January 26th. So you see you have a couple weeks to do this. There's a reason why. You're going to take a week to process the assignment and then a week to reflect on it. So there's 2 weeks because I think it can be a really meaningful assignment and something that really provides insight into our life. So it's called the Moment Reflection. And again, there's 2 pieces. So the first is you're going to download an app on your phone. If you have an Apple, you're going to use Moment. And if you have an Android, it's My Addiction Meter. I know that your phone will do this for you, some of you, but it's important to have this app because it provides specific information about total hours, what you're actually doing on your phone, the percentage of your life, and you're going to keep this running for the entire week. So you'll have to leave it up on your phone. You can't minimize it because it is running the whole time. It is just a week, so I'm going to encourage you to do it to get the most out of this assignment. I do want to point out that I have no agenda. I'm not doing this so you can realize that you're on your phone or, feel bad about your life. This is just a moment for you to think about one of the things that we use the most in our lives, our phone. And I will tell you that I have it on my phone for the same time that you do, and I'm able to see certain things about my life. So you can't see it because it's a video on a webcam, but I have it running and it's giving me a lot of insight. So you want to do this at the beginning of the week to get a really good chunk of data. And then after you do that, the next week, which is the week, you want to run it from like the 13th to at least the weekend. So starting on the Monday, if you install it later in the week, then you want to give yourself at least 7 days. And the next piece is you're going to download the instructions. In this class, anything that's in blue is either a link to a website. So you can see I clicked here and then it brought up information about Moment, how does it work, and also some overview of what it specifically does. So when we're looking at assignments, blue links are huge. And then anytime it says download something, there's going to be a file that you download that has all the specific instructions of what you need to do. So I do this so that you can have a copy of it and be working on it. So already I know one big thing about succeeding in this class is to always work off of the file that's recommended. So we're going to go ahead and pull it up. And here we go. So general information, we talked about it. We've ran the application for a week, and now we're going to answer said questions. So what was your total screen time? Did this surprise you? Why or why not? How much time each day? What day of the week was the highest? Because sometimes this can give us some insight. What percentage of your waking time? How many times did you pick it up? What were you doing? Okay, and this application will provide insight. And then just a general overview, how many hours did you spend this week when you were measuring doing the following? And then you're going to address the questions below in a reflection. So this should be a paragraph, college level spelling and grammar, and really think about these questions. So what surprised you? Did you learn anything about yourself? And how did this change the way you act in the future? Remember, there's no agenda. This is just a matter for you to think about something in your life. So that's due 26. Start working on it soon. Remember, you can always get a hold of me through the inbox. Also, here's my link to set up time with me. You can see right there. You can book me. You'll click on it, set up a time, and then you'll come spend some time in my office and we can talk about whatever you want. So I wanted to answer a couple of questions. Stay tuned. How to manage time better? That's a great question. And how do I finish college faster? So the first question is, how do you manage time better? Perfect timing. We're going to be talking about this week, and I'm excited to learn together. The second one is, how do I finish college the fastest? Well, you need to be taking the right classes in the right sequence, and you need to make sure that you're getting high GPA in all of those classes. So again, I'm your advisor. You can come and talk to me and we'll talk about that formula for getting your classes right. And then the last question is, do you need to be on time? Yes. I don't want to say need because you have your own lives and your own destinies, but it is respectful to be on time and it helps the class have a great experience. All right, I will see you soon in class. Thanks for listening.